This girl is becoming muscular. Yes, I can fight guys. इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ. I am a big fan of berries, so I make sure I buy all products that have got berries in their ingredient. Yeah. And this is like a jawline massager. I do my face massages every single morning and evening before sleeping.
Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures.
All set up for my next study session. I'm just getting ready for my university.
कहे रुक पर दिल कहे छोड़ा ना गिर के उठ फिर से तोड़ जब तक जी तब तक जोर उड़ान भर आसमां छू तेरे दुम पे दुनिया झूमे तू सोचना रुकने दे दर को जला दे तूफान बन जा सबको हिला दे
Sipping on my favorite flavored green tea, that is peach, mango, raspberry, and simultaneously preparing for my class. getting late for my class. I got to rush. Arey, I think I've put on too much.
One is magnetic lip gloss, so I'm trying this for the first time. Let's see how it goes on. And I am super late for my class. Gosh. I love the flavor though. And then I top it with Kiko lip gloss to make it shiny and more lastable. I look pretty decent now. I'm wearing a tank top. Gosh, plan your day. I think that was a pretty decent save. We are good to go. Yes, and yeah, this is a tank top. It's backless, and yes, I'm gonna wear a jacket.
I'm wearing these earrings for today. It's gonna match my outfit. Looks classy. Let's go.
And today's scent is Bella Vita. I love this luxury perfume. I smell decent. Wow, I know I'm getting late. I have to rush. Okay. I feel miserable right now. I just got a message from my CR. He's saying the class has been cancelled. And tomorrow the class is at 2:30 p.m. Okay, everything happens for a reason.
I'm still planning to go out. I have got a message from my owner and my contractor saying I have to leave for the university. I have to go to the university for flat registration purpose. So yes, I messaged my owner. I am going to my university. See, everything happens for a reason. This way you guys are gonna see my university for the first time. It's beautiful, to be precise. Let's go.
I'm rushing to my university and then later on grocery shopping from a nearby mall. It's called Kurzinka. And yeah.
Ain't nothing in this world that's stopping me. My Rari outruns your Odyssey. I broke it off cause I'm not settling.
Just admiring myself because I'm waiting for the owner's reply. Although pink really suits me. I have observed this. Pink, black and brown shade. These three are like, and even blue. Yes, blue suits me a lot. So this girl is all pink today. Too much of self-admiration, I guess. But there's nothing wrong in loving yourself. Self-love over everything. Self-love, girl. Heading to the nearby mall and gonna do shopping, and along with that I'm planning to sit on the topmost floor and do my editing stuff. I have got
few tasks like creating a YouTube banner for my new YouTube page, and yeah, I'm gonna do that task along with copyright music. I got to know that you can't just upload any video there. You can't just upload any audio. You'll get a strike. So I'm gonna learn on that thing as well. This is not something to shy off because this is something new for me. So I am learning step by step. It's like a totally new myself, and develop myself mentally, prepare myself mentally to have that mindset. Yes, it's worth starting a YouTube page, and it is. I am really excited for this journey. Yeah, let's get started.
Chilly right now, and I'm glad I wore a jacket and came.
जो खिलड़ जावे सारी रात नींद ना आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं ना पावे जो खिलड़ जावे सारी रात नींद ना आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं.
I bought apples and cottage cheese, yogurt and green tea, and just making an evening snack.
Cottage cheese is love. Chef's kiss. Right now, I'm super hungry. I didn't have anything since morning, and this is my first meal right now, and it is 6 p.m. Sometimes I just wonder that we humans as individuals are so blessed. We get food to eat, and we don't have to hunt for it. So, these small things must be considered and be grateful. Strawberry and kiwi. These markets are bringing such weird and thoughtful combinations these days.
Our dinner is all about green today. Green, and green. Aesthetics for sure. And yeah, this is called Twarob. Twarob it's like a protein-rich cottage cheese, and we sell it with raisins as well. I bought it from Corsinca. And this is sliced diced cucumber along with the spinach, cottage cheese, and some yogurt. And this is strawberry kiwi green tea.
I am finally home, super jacked up, literally so tired, and just had my food. I won't call it, I don't know what it was. It was neither a breakfast nor lunch. It was just like an evening snack. So yeah, that's what I am following, one meal a day diet. Although that meal is usually in the morning, I took it in the evening today because you guys know I was running really late for my classes. Then I was called to then I had to go to the university, and then I came to know that the owner has already taken the documents. So I just came back, not needed there. And then I decided to go to Korzinka, my nearest mall, and I did some shopping. I bought apples, oranges, kiwis, and yogurt. Yes, I did buy yogurt, green tea, and twarob. I showed you guys what twarob is. It's like a protein-rich paneer. You can say that. And yeah, I am following a low-carb, high-protein, and high-fiber diet these days. And yeah, working on my muscles as well. This girl is becoming muscular. Yes, I can fight guys. Let me introduce you to my flatmate. She is Rakshadi and she's in 6th year. Hello! And we are planning to have a cup of green tea. You know, raspberry tea. And strawberry kiwi tea as well. अंदर आ गई हूँ मैं. अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो. इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ. जब करीना कपूर ने भाई her acting, she killed it. literally burning right now because past few days I've been learning so much, and you know my screen time has been 10 plus hours. So yeah, in order to release that stress and that anxiety inside, I am gonna go and dance because I love dancing, and whenever I dance, it releases all that stress, it releases all the overthinking, that stagnant, extra toxic energy.
जो खिलड़ जावे सारी रात नींद